Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you how to connect your custom domain to your Google site in just a few minutes, whether you are using GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other domain provider. This method will work. Make sure you watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. First of all, go to sites.google.com on your browser and open the Google site you want to publish. Now, click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner, then go to custom domain from here under viewer tools section. Now click on connect domain option. Then use a domain from a third party. This means you are not using Google domains but one you bought elsewhere. Now type your domain name like www.example.com. Then click next. Make sure you include www in front, but it's already have. You now be redirected to Google Search Console to verify that you own this domain. Click on verify to start. If you are not already verified, you will get a TXT record to add to your domain's DNS settings. Now go to your domain provider, for example GoDaddy or Namecheap, and log into your account. Now click domains, or from here click my products tab. Now click my account section, then click domains. From here you can see DNS tab from your left side bar. Click on it. Find your DNS or domain settings and add a new TXT record. It's look like that. Host or name. Use @ or leave blank. Depends on provider. Type TXT. Value. Paste the TXT code from Google. Now save the record and wait a few minutes. DNS changes can take a few minutes to a few hours to apply, but usually it's pretty fast. Now go back to your Google Search Console and click verify again. If the DNS is updated, it should say ownership verified, or you can just click on verify your ownership from the Google Search setting, then enter your domain here again, then click continue. Now it's checking verification and click verify. and follow the process like txt records, type, value, etc. Which I said earlier like that. Once verified, go to your Google Sites again and complete the domain setup, then click Done. Now hit Publish from the upper right corner and it will go live on your custom domain like www.yoursite.com. If it's not working, here are a few things to double check. Did you include www in your domain name? Did you paste the exact txt record value? Did you give it a few minutes to update? If nothing works, try clearing cache or waiting an hour. And that's it. Your Google site is now live on your custom domain. Now let's talk about why custom domain. Okay, it's professional appearance. A custom domains like your www.yourbusiness.com looks way more professional than a default Google Sites URL like sites.google.com, etc. Branding, custom domains help build trust and brand identity. Your audience remembers your name, not a long generic URL. Easier to share and promote. A short custom URL is easier to share on business cards, social media, or verbally. Better for SEO, custom domains are more SEO friendly and are treated more seriously by Google and other search engines. Email matching. With a custom domain, you can also set up custom email addresses like information at the rate yourbusiness.com, ownership and portability. You own your domain and can move to another website platform anytime, keeping your URL consistent. So, if this guide was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you need help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.